Here I have iPhone 10 and let me show you how to turn off your device. It's basically very simple, but sometimes you just press side button and you wait for the power off option, but you don't get the following menu. So all you have to do is use side button, this right key, the lock key, and the volume up, for example. Let's hold down together these two keys, and as you can see, now you can slide to power it off. Let me show you one more time. Let's hold down together side button and volume down, for example. This time it doesn't matter which volume button you will choose. Hold down together these two keys, and now you can accomplish turning off your device. Just slide to power off. As you can see, the iPhone 10 is switching off. And now if you would like to wake up your device, if you would like to switch it on, let's just use the side key one more time, the side button. Keep holding, the device is switching on. So let's just wait a couple of seconds until your device will be ready to use. And that's it, now you can use your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.